Well guys, what's the crack? So very quick portfolio update. Going to keep this one really short because I've got a lot of other content I'm going to make for you guys today, because I've got a bit of a gap here with no meetings or anything scheduled in. So as you can see, I can't remember what it was like the last time. I'm pretty sure the account was red last time I made an update, but I'm not sure. So we're currently up 1.7 on the options selling account. We're currently up 1.7k on the year now, or 1.75k. So what we've currently got open here is we've got our gold 112 put. This is currently sitting at a $40 negative. Now it's technically a profit because I actually hedged this out on the drop with a naked call that I sold. And I think I profited $90 in that. So we're slightly in the green on this. Mara is just delightful. We're at $29.4 right now. It's just been so nice to trade, scooping up, so selling puts at the lower prices and sort of chasing it up with some longer dated ones. It's been a breeze. It's been fantastic. So we're currently 2.6k in unrealized gains on Mara, but I do have a lot that is realized as well. Now this carries over from last year as well, because a lot of these positions have been open for a few months, so that's why that's not showing in the year-to-date P&L. Our Euro Strangle was giving us a bit of trouble. It's been back and forward. Right now we're at break even on it. However, I'm actually in profit on this because I actually closed out the call side and I sold a more aggressive one, and I profited $95 from the other leg. So I've got my new 50% take profit set on this, so that should be no problem. MES, well, we know about that. All of the MES positions are doing great because the market's pushing highs. Copper Triangle, same thing. It caused a bit of grief to the upside, then absolutely collapsed and caused some grief to the downside. So right now it's actually at $70 or $82, $81 profit overall. Our other MES positions, or first of all, actually we've got BTBT, so got some covered calls and shares in that. I'm just going to let these get taken away, most likely, to be honest with you. Then I have our other MES positions, which we've just got our MES weekly positions. They're all they all should expire worthless, nice and easy there. Snapchat, the covered call I sold, the 11, it is now pushing up towards, I sold the 11.5. It's now pushing up towards 11.5. I'm going to let this most likely get taken away, depending on if I can get any profitable rolls for 1 week out. We'll just have to see where it ends up tomorrow. We've still got our 100 shares of Bill. SoFi, everything's looking great. We're going to have these 5 contracts at the 6 put expire tomorrow. There's no point in me paying $1 each to close. I'm just going to let those get taken away tomorrow. Hut, I've got naked calls at the 12 strike expiring tomorrow. This could potentially cause issue, but we'll have to see what's going to happen. They're at break even right now. I could close out for break even, but I think that's like 15% out of the money from current price, so I'm just going to have to see where this ends up. Might close this out at break even today. Then we have our soybeans. Our soybeans trade. This was originally a naked put, and then I actually sold the call to hedge against it, so now it's a nice strangle. And I've got a 50% closing order on this as well. Oil has been an absolute beauty to trade. We're up $600 on it right now, with another $220 to claim in the next 29 days. I'm hoping everything here is going to expire worthless and I won't have to manage it. It's very far out of the money, so that is how we sit currently, guys. Buying bar percentage, we're at 63%, a little high, but obviously I've got a lot of stocks as well. If this was futures only, I'd want it to be 50% or less, but I do have a lot of stocks in here which I'm slowly trying to filter out of and to turn this to a futures only account. In the long term account, in the small long term account of the TMF is having a nice rally today. We're still down $36 on the year on this position, so we're gonna have to see how that turns out. I've also just sold a wee Mara put in here because it's some extra cash and it's up a little bit. PayPal shares, not doing much. I don't really add to this account much. I'm trying to basically keep this all bonds, but I had some extra cash, so I bought the dip on PayPal and then sold a 7.5 put on Mara because it was paying 21% return in a year or something, which is just fantastic. Anyway, guys, that was a very quick update, and I will catch you in the next one. Cheers.